Hey everyone, we make smart home simple, fun and actually useful. If you are thinking of making a smart home but you are getting overwhelmed by the products which are available in the market, don't worry. Today I'll walk you through how to start your smart home in 2025. Let's make your home smarter. So, what is a smart home basically? A smart home is a home that will make your daily task easier. For example, turning on a light on a specific time of a day. It's a task that you may forget but your smart home will never forget. So, how you can do that? You just need a smart bulb and connect it to its app. Basically, these bulbs come with their own apps so that you can set a timer or anything in that app, and after setting the timer it will automatically turn on the specific time of a day. So this is a very basic example and there are more advanced ways to do this, and one of that is Alexa. You can connect this bulb to your voice assistant and simply control it by using your voice. For example, Alexa, turn on lights.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off lights.
Okay.
See, it's as simple as it is. And the best part, it doesn't have to be expensive. You don't need to smarten your whole home on day one. You can start by small. Begin with one device, usually a smart bulb or a smart plug. Plug your lamp into smart plug. Now you can control it with your voice assistant or your phone. This helps you learn the basics of the smart home. So now, the next step is to choose your platform. This is which will connect your device together. If you are just starting, Google and Alexa is the best way to start, as they have their own app and you don't need any coding experience for it, and it's very easy to start with. And most of the devices work with them already, which are available in the market. If you are a tech enthusiast, you can go with Home Assistant, which is the most advanced version of this smart home. We'll cover that in depth later on in this channel. Let's break down that how smart devices talk to each other. For example, a motion sensor detects motion, sends signal to your app, and app will turn on your bulb. This is an automation. Don't worry, you don't need to code anything. Most apps offer routines and scenes to do that. Here's my basic smart home starter pack. First, smart plug, smart bulb, any voice assistant, and that's all you need to start a smart home. With these, you can easily automate anything like turning light on at 7 p.m. or making movie night or an automation or routines. Before you go shopping, here are 3 tips for the beginners. Buy Wi-Fi based devices. Second, stick with the platform. Third, don't buy too much at once. Learn as you go. And remember, this is just the beginning. In upcoming videos, I'll show you how to automate your entire home using Home Assistant. Make lights follow you over your entire home. And even how to control your smart light without internet. So, I have told you what is a smart home and how you can make your smart home. But this is only the basics. A smart home is way more than that. It should be a caring partner so that it will care about yourself and you don't have to do anything. So, in my further videos, I will tell you how you can convert your whole home into a smart home so that it will take care of itself and you don't have to worry about your home. So, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, and if you get any information from my video, please hit the like button. See you next time. Until then, bye.